Hi, Candy Conda, also known as Casey the Business Boss. I'm rating Contagion. Luckily for me, I saw Contagion for free. I would have been very upset if I would have paid to see Contagion. The one good thing, I think that the price of hand sanitizer will go up. The stock should go up immediately upon seeing that movie because everybody will probably be washing their hands 1,000 times a day, which is probably something we should be doing anyway. I thought Contagion had way too many storylines going on. Gwyneth Paltrow did a great job. I like seeing Kate Winslet in the movie. They just had way too many storylines going in way too many directions. They left too many untied shoelaces around the movie. I did have a common thread, which was that was very good. But they went all over the country, back to the United States, and through several different countries, I should say. I just really didn't like the way that they had left a lot of untied knots. It was too detailed of a movie to do that. So me personally, I would Contagion wait for DVD. I would give Contagion 2 stars and maybe more like a 1.75, but I'm going to give them 2 stars just because it was a well thought out plot overall in general, but they just didn't tie the knots together enough for me in the end. They left too many um, unanswered questions for such a movie that had such uh, a detailed, I should not even say detailed, but just a complex um, project that had everything from technology to science and medicine. It just had, like I said, it had way too many things going on, and they should have tied it up in a better knot. I'm going to give Contagion 2 stars, and I'm being very loose with that. Wait for DVD.